Trying to stay in line with the modern trends and technologies, I couldn't avoid getting my hands on the new Mavic 2 Pro drone. This is the first field test in which I need to understand if it's suitable for working in the coastal setting. So I went out on a remote headland near Ardmore in County Waterford to practice, test some of the features and understand how well it can handle the wind. So straight away I'm testing how well it avoids obstacles. Now I'm gonna fly it at the tripod and you can see for yourself how it's gonna stop in front of the tripod. And now I'm gonna fly it backwards towards myself and it stops as well. Now let's go up. It's rather windy and you can see that it's holding its position pretty well, which means it will produce level photographs. And now I'm gonna test the active track mode, where the drone follows the set object and it looks like it's doing the job. You just outline an object with a square on the screen of your phone and tell the drone to follow. And while doing so, it looks like it's holding its position pretty well. It's not really shaking too much. And again, it's quite windy. And now let's see how well it's doing the job with taking the photographs. So these are still photos at 20 megapixels. Conditions are not great, as it's rather dull and windy. Nevertheless, photos are generally well leveled, as you can see for yourself. And if we zoom in, we see some finer details, rock folding, and zoom in even further, you can see individual rock layers. And that's not too bad, keeping in mind that we're about 60 meters above sea level. Well, okay, the test is done, and hopefully this will be a useful tool that we will use in our future videos.